Okay, here you are asked to differentiate this function using first principle method. So first you need to know first principle method. It says dy over dx is equal to limit dx tends to 0 f of x plus dx minus f of x whole divided by dx. So this formula is very important because this is first principle method. Now what you know is, okay, normally when you differentiate this function, you will get, so y equals to x squared plus 1, you will get dy over dx is equal to, so this exponent will come in front, and from the exponent 1 will get subtracted, right? And differentiating a constant will always be 0. So dy over dx is 2x raised to 1. So this is your answer. However, this is formula method where you are using when your y equals to ax raised to n, you are differentiating this by using this formula, right? Exponent comes in front, from the exponent subtract 1. So however, first principle method is this formula. So what you need is, you have to first know what is f of x plus dx. For that matter, if you know what is f of x, it's easy. So f of x is already here, so the question is saying x squared plus 1. Now f of x plus dx la ho चाहिँ x कति छ x plus dx की replace base हेर्नु. So everything will remain same. So it's just that in place of x plus dx will replace. So the rest square, there's also square, there's plus, there's also plus, there's 1, there's also 1. So any jump difference more. So now you just have to replace. So dy over dx equals to limit dx tends to 0. So you have f of x plus dx, which is x plus dx whole square plus 1. Then minus, you have to subtract f of x, which is x squared plus 1. So always put it in the bracket, okay? So divided by dx. Okay, so now try to simplify. What you know in the background is, you know that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So actually you can open up this x plus dx whole square by using, okay, just replacing this. So x square, right? A square means x square plus 2 is multiplied with a times b, and you have b square. So this is x square plus 2x dx plus dx whole square. Otherwise, what you can do is, if you are not remembering, you don't have to panic, because it just means, okay, so I'll just do it here. So limit dx tends to 0. So x plus dx is being multiplied twice, right? Okay. Then you have negative multiplied here will be negative x square, so this will become negative 1. Okay. Then you can open up the bracket one by one. So if you do not remember the formula, you can do in this manner as well. So x square plus x dx, then this is x dx, then this is dx square. Okay, so please put this in bracket. This cannot be separated, it's attached together. Okay, so plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so you have negative x square. So this is dividing by dx. So you have limit dx tends to 0. So plus x square minus x square, right? Cancel. Positive x dx is 2x dx. So you have 1 here, you have 1 here, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. Variables remain same. Then plus dx whole square, okay, divided by dx. Now after simplifying, what you can do is, now you can actually try to give this dx to both, right? So you have limit dx tends to 0, so it will become 2x dx divided by dx plus dx divided Okay, dx whole square divided by dx. So dx cancel. So what do you mean by dx whole square? It means that dx was multiplied twice, right? So dx will get cancelled. So what you have is limit dx tends to 0, 2x plus dx. Now after simplification, what you can do is, so when you have no denominator which is having dx, so when your denominator dx is being removed or it's not there, now you have to replace dx by 0. So to remove this, so to remove limit tends to dx, so that means you have to replace dx with 0. So you will find the final answer, that is dy over dx equals to 2x. So if you can check out your, when you have taken the formula method, you got the value as 2x and the answers are matching, right? That means you are correct. So in principal method, what is important? Your formula is important, and what you have to do is you just have to find f of x dx and replace here in the formula. Find your f of x is the question, so you just have to replace here, then simplify. So open up the bracket, simplify, and finally when there's no denominator which is dx, then you can replace dx by 0. You will get the answer.